Hi, my name is Esteban Chavarri and I'm going to present my project that is a GoalsApp. I'm going to show what is a goal during the presentation. First, the screens that we can create with all the knowledge that we gather from the course without looking for any new library or something like that. First, a simple sign up screen where you put simple information, email, first name, last name, and a password, and it will store your user on Firebase when you sign up, and then you will prompt to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can select unfinished or completed goals. By default, it will show the unfinished list, but you can change it just clicking on the label of the list that you want to see. Then if you click on the plus button, you will go to the create goal screen where you will define if you what is the current value, the first input, the expected value, the second, and the title. Then you will choose if you want to augment or reduce the current value to reach the expected value. This is what defines if the goal is completed or not. And then you will choose a category. It has have three base categories: health, income, or time, or you just can click other if none of these represents what you want with this goal. Then when you click save, you will be prompted to the dashboard again, but now the goal is created. Then we can see this new goal and modify it just clicking over the goal, and we will be prompted to the modify goal screen where we can modify the current value, the expected value, if we want to augment the label and the type. Or if we want, we can delete the goal if we just want to get rid of it just because we already completed and we don't want to see it anymore, or if we just give up and that's it. And for example, if we change the current value to 3, that is what I did, but I forgot to screenshot that part. And and we click save. We'll go back to the dashboard, and if we click on the complete list, we can see now that our goal is on that list and not on the unfinished list. This behavior will be more precise when I show the demo. Okay, now the screens that requires external libraries, I use Expo Google Out to create this Google sign in button. The email and password login will work independent from this button. Just if you just want to sign up with your email, create a password, and then just log in here. But this Google sign in button will prompt to this Chrome screen. This is not the app. It will go to Chrome and then come back with the information of your user, and it will store it on the Firebase authentication server, and it will store the user information in our Fire database. Uh, this being the first name, last name, and the email, just like the other users that sign it with email and password. The other thing is that the password is never stored on the database because this part is handled with the with the Firebase authentication server. So the password is not stored to protect the user information. Then we have the last screens that are shown if you click the map button on the dashboard. Here we will be prompted to a map. If we click on the map, we'll be seeing a pin saying, okay, just click here to add this location. You will be prompted to the add location. It will have the latitude and longitude, and then you must add a title to this location, and you can save it. And then if you save it, it will be prompted like this on the screen. But if you if you don't want to look for the location and you know what is the latitude and longitude, just click on the pin button uh, on the downside of the map, and you will go to the add location without any parameter, and you add manually the latitude and longitude, and that's it. I'm going to show the demo now. Also, these map goals are created because many people want to see want to see many places, and these are their goals. They just want to visit new places. Here, um, here is the main screen, Google sign. It could take a few seconds to open because we have to go to, it goes to Google Chrome and it goes back. So it takes a few seconds while it signs in. Then it came back. Oh no, it's processing the information. I cleared the user for this demo. I will add a new goal. The same of the examples before. Saved. It's here. I click on the goal. I want to be 3. Now my current value. It went to the completed, and we see here the other one. Sorry, apparently I didn't clear the database as I thought. Anyway, if I click here and change it to reduce just to see this behavior, it would be prompted to the unfinished goals. And that's it. And let's delete this one. Yeah, I want to delete it. And it is deleted. Now if we go to the map, and let's say I want to go here, want to click, test, save. Now the pin it's here, I can see it. If I click on it, I can delete it or not. No. Yes, it will be removed. And here we have the location, like just put some random location. 30 location, and it's here, location, and that's it. Yep, that's the complete behavior of my app. We can click logout and we'll be prompted to the main screen again. Thank you for your attention.